welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a mango cream. We need a very certain ingredients: sugar, cream, vanilla extract, and mango. Let's start. First we're gonna cut the mango. Yummy. Yummy. Is it just me or does this look like a pineapple? After I cut the mango, I'm gonna blend it. And blend it until it's smooth. Now it's tasting time. My mango's sweet, so I don't need to add sugar. If your mango is not sweet, you can add some sugar, but it's up to you. Put some cream inside the cup. And then I'm gonna whisk it. Now I'm gonna add icing sugar. Now I'm gonna add vanilla extract for more flavor. Now layer cream and mango puree in cups. I'm gonna add one more layer of cream. Next one. Garnish, I'm gonna add 3 slices of fresh mango. And they're diamond. They are slippery, so don't say I'm so slow. The next one. And for more garnish, I'm gonna add some mint. This dessert was so easy and fun, and you can go enjoy. It's like so yummy too. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!